lumabas doon. Yan, super. Grabe.
Mamaya, nakatayo lang tayong ganyan.
Oo, ganyan lang ako. Ano ba yung nakasunod? What do you call that?
Wes Anderson. Nando Babo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga. For today's video, nandito po tayo ngayon sa SM City Clark and we were invited by Life for Cuts. So this is a Korean photo booth, not just inspired, this is actually owned and managed by Korean. Guys, if you wanna know more about this, I will tour you to this place. Samahan niyo po ako, let's go. The way you do it, you choose from which room you're gonna be entering. Photo number 1, photo number 2. How does it work? And this is the machine. Ito yung actual machine na to. Touch. Whoa! Choose what kind of frame you're gonna be using, no? So meron tayong vertical at saka meron tayong landscape. Single strip, 4 cuts. Itong multi-frame, you can choose either landscape or portrait, pero actually may iba-iba silang design pa. So let's see. Color. This. Select 4 cuts. Next, you have 3 colors: white, black, pink. Let's choose black. And then meron tayong QR code dito. You're gonna check this one. Input your money.
What do I like?
Nice.
Cute naman, mga ano sila.
That's a chicken. Before you get inside dun sa mga rooms, make sure to choose your accessories, no? So meron tayong mga headbands, meron din tayong mga wigs, we have hats, different kind of hats, cowboys. Now for your eyeglasses, they also have different kinds of eyewears that you can choose flashy.
What can you say?
It was fun. It was fun.
And my hair.
My hair. Original black and white print.
There you go.
Here's the first one. Yay!
Yay!
There's the QR code.
Yes, another one. There you go.
Wait lang! Sige, gawin! Kuya! Hindi ako nakikita! Hindi rin ako nakikita, babe!
As for me and my wife, nag-enjoy po kami. This is not what you do on a regular basis, no?
Yeah, para siyang couple date na masaya.
Couple date na masaya. Actually, you can also bring your group or your family. Kung may kids kayo, guys, this room can accommodate up until 8, sabi ng mga staff natin dito. So if you're looking for this kind of experience, a different kind of stress reliever, guys, you gotta check out. So na-invite po kami dito sa branch ng SM City Clark. Ang pinaka-landmark nito is malapit siya dun sa Hypermarket. If you're coming from the main mall, tingnan nyo yung Greenwich and then katapat nun hall na yon, you're gonna be looking into this branch. So yun guys, thank you so much for watching Pampanga. Please give it a thumbs up.
Thank you, Life for Cuts.
Thank you, Life for Cuts. Peace out. Bye guys.